Oreos. They're more than just a cookie, they're a cultural icon. For over a century, Oreos have been America's favorite sandwich cookie, bridging generations with their timeless combination of crunchy chocolate wafers and sweet, creamy filling. From childhood afternoons spent twisting, licking, and dunking, to sharing a pack with friends or sneaking a midnight snack, Oreos have a way of turning everyday moments into cherished memories. But have you ever wondered how these beloved cookies go from simple ingredients to that perfectly crisp and creamy snack we all know and love? Today we are pulling back the curtain on the magic behind Oreos, from the meticulous selection of raw ingredients to the precision engineering of their iconic design, and finally, the care that ensures they arrive fresh and ready for dunking in your glass of milk. This is the story of how America's favorite cookie is made. The story of Oreo began in 1912 in a New York City bakery, when Nabisco introduced what would become one of the world's most iconic cookies. Initially created as a competitor to Hydrox, Oreo soon eclipsed its rival with its superior flavor, texture, and innovative branding. Its intricate cookie design pattern, introduced in 1924, remains one of the most recognizable symbols in snack history. Fast forward to today, and Oreos are made in 18 countries, with over 40 billion cookies produced every year. That's enough to circle the Earth 5 times. From its humble beginnings to becoming a global icon, the Oreo has stood the test of time, evolving with flavors, varieties, and even cultural trends. Every Oreo starts with a carefully curated list of high-quality ingredients. Wheat flour provides structure, granulated sugar and cocoa powder deliver the signature sweet, chocolatey taste, and vegetable oil ensures the dough is pliable. Baking soda and a pinch of salt balance the flavors and contribute to the cookie's iconic crunch. And let's not forget the star of the show, the vanilla cream filling. This sweet velvety center is made with powdered sugar, vegetable shortening, and a secret blend of flavorings that Nabisco has guarded for over a century. These ingredients combine to create the magic that is Oreo. The journey begins in industrial mixers, where the dry ingredients, flour, sugar, cocoa powder, and salt, are combined with vegetable oil and water. The mix churns into a bubbling chocolate dough as leavening agents are added for that perfect rise. To ensure the dough holds its strength during shaping and baking, dry ice is introduced to cool it down. This step locks in consistency, ensuring every cookie achieves Oreo's signature texture and flavor. The chilled dough heads to a molding machine, where it's pressed into those familiar biscuit shapes. A steel roller engraved with the intricate Oreo design stamps each cookie, creating the perfect balance of elegance and branding. This process churns out thousands of cookies per hour, ensuring each one is identical, down to the embossed logo that's recognized worldwide. The molded cookies travel through a massive industrial oven, stretching over 85 meters. This oven uses precise heat zones. The first dries the surface, and the final stages create that golden brown crispness we all love. After baking, the cookies cool to room temperature on conveyor belts, ensuring they're ready for their creamy filling. While the cookies are cooling, it's time to prepare the vanilla cream filling. Made from powdered sugar, vegetable shortening, and secret flavorings, the filling is mixed until it reaches the perfect creamy texture. The cream is then loaded into specialized pumps that deposit precise amounts onto the cookies. The filling is always applied to the bottom cookie layer, which is slightly larger than the top layer. This creates a better seal and ensures the filling stays put. Now it's time to assemble the Oreo. The filled bottom cookies are topped with another cookie, which is carefully aligned and pressed into place. This step requires precision to ensure the filling is evenly distributed and the cookies hold their iconic shape. Each batch is checked for quality, and only the best cookies move on to the next stage. The final stage is packaging. The cookies are arranged into trays and sealed in their iconic packaging, designed to keep them fresh and crispy. From here, they're boxed, labeled, and shipped to retailers around the globe. From the factory to your local grocery aisle, the journey ensures Oreos arrive as crisp and creamy as the day they were made. Did you know that Oreo cookies have been around for over 100 years? Since their debut in 1912, more than 450 billion Oreos have been sold worldwide. Today they come in a variety of flavors, from classic vanilla to mint, peanut butter, and even birthday cake. As technology advances, factories are finding new ways to make production faster, more sustainable, and even more innovative. The Oreo is more than just a cookie. It's a symbol of joy, nostalgia, and creativity. From its humble beginnings to its place as a global snack icon, every Oreo is a testament to precision, innovation, and love for the perfect treat. So next time you twist, lick, or dunk an Oreo, take a moment to savor the incredible journey that brought this cookie to your plate. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes looks at the foods you love.